Today's aftermarket is all about system solutions. Replacing the full drive system saves time and ensures a reliable repair. With belts, chains, and related components wearing together, a kit will help fix it right the first time. Unfortunately, some technicians are still replacing just the belt or chain and leaving other parts behind. And that's where problems start. A worn tensioner or pulley can quickly destroy a new belt. In fact, incomplete repairs almost always result in premature failures, whereas a full system approach reduces comebacks significantly. Let's review why kits are the best solution for front-end drive system repair. Number 1. Drive system kits feature all new parts designed and matched for a particular vehicle application. Second, kits can reduce repeat work by up to 30% by ensuring all critical wear components are replaced at the same time. Third reason, having everything in one box means less time sourcing parts and more time focused on the job. For example, one Dayco timing chain kit may have 10 parts, all of which would have to be sourced individually. And our final reason, kits tend to cost less compared to buying standalone components, and they also ensure a higher customer satisfaction rate, which is worth a lot of peace of mind. That's why more shops and parts distributors are turning to kits. Dayco packages all components into one complete solution, with kits for timing chain, timing belt, and serpentine belt systems. We also back them all with a robust warranty. Kits are a game changer and a smarter way to approach vehicle repair.